blurry pics from your phone. Or you could use Capital One's Quick Check to see if you'll be accepted for a credit card without affecting your credit score.
Fucking bastard!
Search Capital One Quick Check.
The car rookie in the back.
Yeah, we didn't get hit at the back.
Huh?
We didn't get hit.
Didn't get hit.
He pulled right in front of us.
Keep me adjusting. Are you okay?
Yeah, got on camera.
Huh?
Got on camera. He shouldn't have pulled out on us like that.